Hi everyone, this is the beautiful Baylands Nature Preserve. I'm here with my younger kid, Idan. Idan, say hi, say hello.
It is near Mountain View and Palo Alto. It is a marshland of San Francisco Bay. So the first place we visited is the duck pond. Look how beautiful it is. There's a trail around the pond and the pond has recycled water. We walked around the whole trail. You can see lots of birds here and it's the best place for bird watching. You can enjoy the marshlands, the greenery, the birds, and the airplane. From the duck pond, we took a trail to the nature center.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me?
Show me the way.
All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
My sir used the number 99.10. This is the nature center of Palo Alto. Let's take a look through the long bridge.
Fine. It's closed.
This is not nature center.
Look again.
Lately I've been high. I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way.
This is a boardwalk which take you from the nature center near the bay. I like the boardwalk because there's so much to discover about the bay.
Cause lately I've been high.
From there we went to Byxbee Park and then it all got hurt.
Lately I've been
It's a great place for walk, run and bike ride. The trail is flat and in a loop. I enjoyed running with it aunt and gripping it aunt.
Lately I've been high. Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? pieces of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke.
I'll come here with my family again.
I've been